Look at this, you guys. Hold on, where'd it go? Look at that. It's been there for such a long time. I've washed it so many times. I have no idea what the heck that is. Good morning, guys. So yesterday I got a new foundation and well, not a new brand. I still got Cover FX Natural Finish Oil Free Foundation because I really love that and it really works for me. So my new shade is G40, not G70 anymore. In the summer I'm a G70 and in the winter, spring, whatever, I'm a G40. So this is what it is. Hey guys. Why are you wearing your school uniform?
Oh my gosh. Everybody keep asking.
Because it's strange on a Sunday.
First of all, well, first of all, when I said it's a concept, that day I couldn't find sweatpants, so this is the only one I had left. I just wanted to wear this because I saw it there.
Alright.
And I have pajamas underneath.
Yeah, this is the only sweatpants left that I have, and it has a stupid stain on it that won't go away.
I have plenty of sweatpants. I'm a sweatpants girl. Are you about to put the coins first?
Yeah.
It's the soap we're gonna get for you. Soap we're gonna get for you.
Soap we're gonna get for me. Oh yeah, this is the one that mommy was gonna get at Target.
And it seemed very healthy.
It is. It's not tested on animals, and it's real green tea and aloe.
And I feel like my hands got softer.
Really?
Seriously.
Oh, it does feel like you're.
Or maybe my hands are just naturally soft.
I was reading this at Target. Triclosan free, biodegradable, never tested on animals. It's so nice. That's good. Clear.
What? Stop it.
You like clear? So I eat it.
I like to lie.
The first one, yeah.
Thank you, Jayla Jefferson, for your comment. I love how she's such a loyal subby. I love hearing back from you guys. It makes me happy. It makes me feel like I'm doing something right, or you know, kind of like making your day a little more awesome, hopefully. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And then thank you, Valerie, who just now who commented, you are awesome, right in front of me.
So Vicky's just, okay, so Vicky's just,
Don't mind my nails. You're a little ratchet. I don't really do my nails anymore.
Yeah, Vicky's just cutting some lime and then she's gonna squeeze them.
I do these really fast because
She got strong hands.
So I guess that's one of my few characters. Is it a characteristic? No, that's not right. No. What is that? Talent? Skill?
Talent.
Strong hands?
They're not even close to touching.
Masika. Thank you so much. My family apparently loves you too. And I saw your comment, I saw your comment, and it is very, very nice. And yeah, I've been having sleep paralysis for about, I guess, I had it before, and it didn't happen for years, and then it came back. So I didn't know what was happening with that, and yeah, it like links in with my dream. I have REM, hypnopompic sleep paralysis. So it happens like I wake up and then I can go back to sleep, but then like an hour to an hour and a half later, I slowly start to dream, and I start to like know what's happening, and then it like adapts to my dream, so it thinks so that I don't know that it's happening to me, so it just like it takes over me. So when I'm starting to dream and I'm starting to like my dream, that's when I get up and I don't go to sleep, because I know it's gonna happen. And then when I try to go to sleep, my eye will start to feel heavy here, and then it's like starting to slowly close, so then I just stay up. So that's how I get through it, but I don't really like that because I get sleepy, so I get cranky. But that's my, I guess, strategy so far. Hopefully it gets better. I don't know how to do that, but it's good to know that somebody else has it too, because I get scared. So thank you so much, Masika. Took up all the what?
Plates.
What's the platette?
Plates.
Oh. Since I'm too lazy to eat it in a shell, I'm just gonna crack it in. That's how we do. Ah. Sorry guys, I didn't shave.
Hello. Okay guys, so I have have no plate, so
It's not like it's that hairy. I mean,
I have to use a napkin
recently shaved it.
as a plate. Thanks, guys.
Like 3 days ago, maybe. I don't know. So it's very short, but you can still see it because, you know, Asian black hair. But I need to change this brown to black.
I'm just too lazy to get a plate from the drawer. Move.
You know when you're on your period and you have your pad and you get a wedgie? That's what it is.
That's gross.
That's the truth.
That's the normal life.
It's 9:37 p.m. and I know this is late, but I'm gonna make a resolution for myself, and it's to wear less makeup. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off, and then you're gonna see my bare face, and just be prepared to see that more often. Hey guys, I'm back with my totally bare face. My third step in that new acne-free sensitive thing. It's an all-over lotion, and it's so light, and everything is so gentle. It's so nice. And the third step, it's the hydrating lotion thing you put it all over your face, and it's also a spot treatment. So I did some spots, but it's like it's like white, but then it like I guess it turns into like a translucent thing. I don't know. It's translucent, transparent. Hold on. Damn it. Well, anyway, the color is not there anymore. It's not white anymore. But yeah. Okay. Hopefully my resolution will work. I'm gonna try not to wear makeup as much. But I do love makeup, so I'm obviously gonna wear it, but just not as much. I'm gonna try not to touch my face as much. Alright.
Rumors abound that some Hollywood stars have purposely staged accidents as part of a highly secretive but very lucrative practice called celebrity product placement.
Hey guys, so it's 12:56 and my mom left to Market Basket like 15 minutes ago. She just called out, and I was just gonna vlog, but then I had to pick up her call. And I'm doing homework. Vanessa texted me what she was gonna have for lunch or whatever. Spicy chicken patties. I want some spicy chicken patties. Oh, I gotta ask my mom if she can get barbecue. Hold on. After Valerie and I finish learning the dance to No 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 by Pink, we're going to learn how to dance to Love by Pink. Okay. I love them.
Here to show us all the latest trends to keep us looking good on days when we...
Oh my god.
We just watched the model compilation fail, and it was the funniest thing ever. This girl got hit by a gong. Out of everything on a runway, a gong.
I look awkward.
She comes down like she's out of a cage.
Oh yeah, so far.
This swagger.
He goes like that.
Hey.
Girls and lovely.
Oh.
Nah. Girls and lovely. Yay! Thank you, mommy.
I carry the back to you.
No, Gary?
Yeah, carry the back.
Yeah.
Gary Chavez.
We have been practicing that dance for I don't even know how long.
Hour.
When did Mama come back? And it's, what time is it?
10:41.
It's 10:41. About 2 to 3 hours, right? 2 to 3 hours since we've been practicing this dance, and I really like the song and I really like the dance, but there's this one part that keeps messing me up.
That's right.
And it's my favorite part too. Ah. Oh yes, 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 yes. Mhm. You guys, look at the snow. The snow is crazy, but look over there, you guys. Oh my god, I feel so bad for their car.
But imagine if someone was in there.
Oh no. What you doing, Vanessa?
She's faking. I'm kidding.
She was like this on our bed, and now she's like this on the floor. This is how tired she is.
Oh, she needs to puke. Bleh. Okay, so this is Vicky.
This is half of our body. Guys.
Get
had the smallest shovel.
I'm gonna fall in xoxo. Hey, ready? Help! I'm stuck. I can't even get up because every time I try to go up, the snow goes down.
Okay, we'll see you soon, guys.
My feet are moving because I'm wearing fuzzies.
I'm
My
wearing
sock here too.
I'm wearing like 4 socks.
That's why you can't take it out.
Did you help me take it out?
I tried, but had good luck. Guys, look, I'm taking off.
Oh wait. Hold on, let me sit down first. Let me sit down.
No, we're not going back, Daddy.
Okay. Next one.
Because it's still snowing a lot too.
So we're gonna do it later on.
No, my leg. Okay.
Yes, no, on your pants.
My feet feel so.
Sit.
My toes feel so weird.
Take off all your socks, man.
Okay, ready, you guys? Look at this. Look at this. Wood.
Okay, hold on.
It's
One.
going to one.
1,
This pretty color.
2,
So you have a third one.
3, and 4. It's stuck inside. Ready? Ah.
Ew! Go ahead, do that.
Made in Taiwan.
Here, there you go. They're not bad. Same.
We'll be eating peaches, and we're gonna watch the rest of it maybe. And we have no
almost
school
finished.
again
It's right
tomorrow.
This much left.
Aw. Sad.
Tungi.
Look at my mommy. Bye, mommy. Oh my goodness, look at all the snow that's coming down right now. So much. My toenail freaking cut me yesterday, you guys. It hurts. Breakfast, and I'm watching a show with Lee Dong-wook.
Oh, you are?
Mm-hmm.
What is it called?
What's it called? It's called Wild Romance. It's a comedy.
I feel like I've heard of that before.
It's a comedy.
9, 10, 11,
She's playing with
12,
Cleverbot.
13,
And Valerie made pancakes. Look at all these beautiful pancakes.
17.
I'm gonna eat them.
17 seconds.
For Cleverbot to reply.
Yeah, and then they wrote Zayn Malik, yours.
And I'm still watching this. Valerie is going to copy me. And she was like, Vicky, you took the perfect ones? And I was like, it was the ones that were on top. What do you expect me to go underneath it?
Yeah, that's what I did so that I could have that at the top to look nice. That's the only ones. Oh, there's another one that looks really good. So I'm gonna.
What, you're gonna go and find it?
It's the second one at the bottom. So no.
됐어. 난 혹시 아들이 이나기한테 땀만 있나 했지.
What is happening?
The bird will he'll go up in the attic, then come out to the window again.
I left the door open, man.
Hey!
He came in the house. I don't even know how.
Come on, I left the door open for you to get out.
What's wrong with you? Hey. Hey,
What
buddy.
bites you?
Inside the house! Buddy! You are no...
Close the bathroom door. Can't just disappear. I saw it fly into the living room and I ran.
I know. My life. Let's we can rewatch. Oh my god! It fell? Ah! Are you okay? Are you injured?
It's not getting out either. Oh, sorry.
Not so. What?
Look at me! It looks so beautiful standing there.
You're in my room now.
We're not gonna hurt you. How do we say
I don't speak bird.
You wanna land on this like it's a branch? Could if you want, and then I'll bring you to Vanessa. Are you okay?
He would be. Oh,
Are you okay?
he just fell.
What do we do?
Chincharo. That stupid bird left its freaking footprints all over my room, and I tried to wipe it off my walls with napkin and water, and it got worse. Look at that wall. I should have just left the freaking footprints. I cleaned that wall very nicely, I guess, somewhat. That wall. Oh man, I hate that bird. What a freaking bird brain. Sorry, I look like a nun right now, but I just showered and I just put my hair in a bun. And Vanessa has no school again tomorrow, which means she had like a week of no school. Did she go? Was there school Monday? My school hadn't said anything. Valerie's school hadn't said anything, so we probably have school. I don't know. I ate all of the red grapes today. Literally today. Nobody touched the red grapes and I ate the whole bag. I'm not ashamed. I love red grapes. The bird is still in here?
You slept with that in your room.
Oh my god. Okay, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door. It's out, it's out. Oh my god, you guys. This bird brain. Hey, BB, you gotta get out.
Dude, the door is open again.
Sheesh.
I knew the bird was still in the room.
Valerie and Vanessa don't have school. I don't know if I have school or not, so I have to go. Literally go. I have to drive over there. Huh?
Birdie over
So yeah,
there.
they didn't write anything on their website. They don't email. They don't call. So I have to check their freaking Twitter, which is really weird.
Door on that side.
So whatever.
Door on that side.
Is that my jacket? Oh yeah, it
Oh my gosh, you won't get outside.
is. I heated up some chicken strips yesterday, and I have 2 left over. I think I'm gonna heat this so I can eat it, and then we'll go.
Left it open for the bird if it wants to go outside. It's still staying in the suitcase.
Look at this pimple right there. That's kind of horrible.
I don't know. Vicky, where was it?
I don't know. It just freaking flew out.
I don't know.
How it feels.
Crazy.
Let's go.
I know.
Yeah, heated up, fried, whatever. Some more of the chicken strips, and I have my water. And yep. Yep, you know the drill.
아무튼 난 허락 못해요.
아저씨 지금 얼마나 째째 보이는 줄 알아요?
좋은 아침입니다, you guys. I just put on a sweater because it's cold and I don't know if you guys saw or could hear it, but it's so windy outside. It's like, it's harsh wind. And I gotta get ready because we're gonna go to my grandma's house because it's Saturday. And I think my face is getting better. Good morning, guys. Wait, I already said that. Oops. Oops. And I bring my laptop, my charger, my headphones because I'm gonna edit at my grandma's house. Oh. You hear that wind? It's freezing. Inception.
Not really.
Almost. It's freezing outside. My fingers are frosted.
What's in your red bag?
I need to do my nails. My laptop, my charger, my headphones. I gotta edit. I'm gonna grab myself. We forgot emergency snacks. I'm hungry. We stopped by the bank.
What's your name?
Victoria.
Victoria.
Tom.
Have you heard anything about the car accident in New Hampshire?
No.
Are you sure you weren't a witness?
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, must have mistaken you. Or you're a criminal. That's right. Thank you for your time.
You know you bother me. You come for Dunkin' Donuts.
I got this for free.
Oh, really?
For the house.
Look, she got the Bruin sign.
You know you bother me. You get something free too.
And it's a huge freaking thing. They got me a vanilla child thing. I was looking in the car the whole time. Ew. Bobby, it's not on me or something?
No.
What?
Oh, Lucky wet my nose.
Ew. Hey, Lucky. Hey, Lucky. Hey. 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 We're still here. Oh, pajama pants. My mom and my aunt is going to go to a Chinese New Year party, and we'll be here, and she'll come back during the nighttime. What time is it? At night, and it's 5:51. She's probably gonna come around 11. I don't know.
Me, Timmy, and you know, it looks like I'm blushing.
I finished editing the vlog for this week. It will be updated tonight at midnight. I'm going to be uploading them at midnight from now on.
Oh, when you were younger, we just wanted to pinch your little cheeks. And now every curtain up to your cheeks.
No, Vicky,
Yeah?
can you get a napkin?
I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Now you still have your egg.
Napkin with water. Show us napkin with water.
What? Huh? What? You didn't say anything.
No water for him, Mom.
Oh. I'm done.
Mo.
No, I didn't see myself. Mickey was recording.
뭐 하세요? 안녕하세요. 잘 지냈어요?
My face is.
Ah, lucky.
Oh, I'm gonna be like 12.
Remember the one you did, like, you were laying down in one of the chairs here, and you were like, You don't remember that one?
No.
There was a video of that. Me,
What?
when I had the flash drive, and we go back in time,
You'll see it.
you'll see it.
Okay.
Nailed it.
So what?
You look like you never changed.
You never changed.
You never changed.
Yeah, you never
Vicky,
changed.
you look like,
Valerie,
you still look
me,
like the
Vicky.
same.
Valerie, Jennifer, Timmy, Derka, Kaylin, and me.
You
We
had
all
a transformation.
Mad transformation. You look the
You just
same.
you. Legitimate, you're
Just
just
your hair
you.
that's different.
Yeah, your face looks exactly the same, like you're immortal. Like you're like, no, you're like,
You guys. Okay, you guys.
People here. Huh? Golden money. How many people here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Con này á?
5 kids.
Yeah.
6. Là 6?
What are you guys trying to bring?
No, she's like, how many of us are here? So my mom can.
Oh yeah, they give out money. And
Oh, so she can get it for us?
Hey guys, subscribe to Vicky. I always put her in the description now.
안녕하세요.
Looks like you never changed though. It's crazy. You're like one of those celebrities that doesn't
Guys,
change.
you don't know it, but I went to the Fountain of Youth.
yeah, okay. More like you.
Wait, Vicky, is there like a scene footage that you went to the Fountain of Youth and you did it when we didn't know?
Okay.
The secret place.
Welcome to MC She Knows.
Bro.
Welcome to YNG News. Go ahead. Welcome to YNG News.
If you guys want to see this YNG news, go to her channel and she will have it on Saturdays with Valerie.
Taking pictures
How long ago was this?
2013, 2 years ago, bro.
This was 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
I wonder what happened.
But this will look like Gucci.
What?
Oh my gosh, it does.
You don't know what she's up to. I'm doing my homework. You just never know. And she's just,
Gukju looks pretty.
I don't know.
Jimmy, there was this 1 second you looked like Gucci.
Vicky, you never changed.
I never changed. You guys think I changed?
I see.
Do you guys think I look the same?
That was when you were in high school, like around junior year, I think.
look this.
She never changed.
Vicky, you never changed.
Do I look like I changed?
Excuse me.
That was my phone, you guys. The iPhone 4.
What was that case called? Riku something?
Rila Kuma.
Yeah, you were obsessed with that.
I still have it.
Really?
And I want to use it, but it doesn't fit this phone.
What about her?
They changed the size of this, and I would still use it if I could. I love that phone.
That was 2 years ago, and we changed.
I want them to make one in this for the iPhone 5s.
Okay, there's an old photo when we were 15, and you looked the same.
Show me.
I look different without glasses. When I smile, I have that thing.
I think you look cute without glasses.
I have that thing. I like this thing.
Yeah, me too. That's what I was saying.
Vicky, when was this?
I know.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. When was that?
I don't know. Do you know?
Oh, that was when me and Nana were looking for that cat.
Oh yeah, I have a picture of the epic
that outfit?
moment.
You remember that outfit?
Yeah.
No, wait. Let me check the date on this. Hold on. Wait. It should say the date and everything.
I used to be a alcoholic.
Like,
You are.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Hey. Hey.
okay, it doesn't say the date, but I think this was in 2013, I believe.
What are you talking about?
You look different. You look. I mean, it looks like you have makeup on. I can see because you have the concealer and everything, so I can see. I mean, you look the same to me. I just.
I have less pimples there.
Your teeth look straight from here.
That's because I have a certain way I position my face.
I know the trolls. I know.
Don't be scared, guys. This is just me when I play games, video games with
people.
Can you say that same line that you said?
And I was playing a video game with Timmy,
Mario
and
Party.
this is exactly us playing video games. So
This was like 3 years ago, 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was 16 at the time.
Hogging on the space.
You're jumping on me. Why?
Why? Can you say that same exact line with that same
You were
anger?
jumping on me. Why?
It sounds the same. It sounds the same. No, like, right? Doesn't it sound the same when she said it?